Hi everyone, and welcome back to today's morning report on Tuesday the 31st of March with me, Rich Perry, market analyst at Hantec Markets. Moving on to cable now, and this cable chart has just done pretty much what every other chart has done, dollar related, and started to sell off. And this recovery on cable never really got going, did it? You would argue that certainly the bulls are nowhere near in control of this chart. They've never really got a handle on it. The 150 big figure resistance area continue to hold the move back, and it's now backed away from that resistance. All the momentum indicators are rolling over. Stochastics have given arguably what you could say to be a sell signal with the crossover. Certainly in a bearish market, this the crossing back below of the stochastics is a bearish signal anywhere around neutral, and that has happened sort of around the 40s area, so that's even worse. But certainly it looks pretty weak, and the 21-day moving average, which had been a base of support, became resistance, and base of resistance became support through February and is now becoming resistance again through March. So that is falling at 49.45 at the moment. So again, this is all pretty bearish stuff now on cable. This is the intraday hourly chart, and we've seen that what had been holding up as support around 48 big figure has now been broken to the downside, and it certainly seems as though there's not a great deal left before testing these key lows. 46.85 is probably the one that you'd be looking at for next, and then ultimately 46.33, which is the low of this trading phase. But certainly the momentum indicators look all pretty bearish on the hourly chart. Maybe you do have the prospect, I said in the morning report, that you've got the prospect of intraday rallies and using them as a chance to sell. Now, what we saw yesterday was a rally from 47.50 up towards 48.40, so that's about 90 pips. The day before was about 130 pips. 47.90 odd up towards 49.20 odd, so about 130 pips. So maybe you could wait for a bit of an intraday rally to sell into, because I think that the pressure is generally now to the downside, and it's all therefore becomes an element of timing. You've got the RSI on the hourly chart back towards 33, so maybe that's a little bit stretched to the downside to start thinking about selling absolutely now, but certainly I would say any sort of rally is a chance to sell. 48 figure is an element of resistance now, having been support, so you could argue that now becomes a resistance area. But I think anything sort of 48 figure up towards 48.40 is an ideal chance to sell. So I wish you good luck in your trading on cable today, and I'll speak to you later. Thank you.